Hey, what's up, y'all? This is TC, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of TC Time. I say, what's up, y'all? It's TC Time. Sit right back and have a good time. Hit the subscribe, get notified. Like this, build this, bam, bam. All right, so you guys have already been introduced to this gun. This is the King's PVC power washer gun. This is a low-cost build. I built this just to see how cheaply I could make this gun. Now it's all the pipes on our PVC. I have a clearance $3.99 garden hose valve, and what I'm wanting to show you today is I want to show you this, the Y adapter. Now the reason why we have two hoses on here is if you make this any of my guns, the all brass version or the PVC version, you can run hot or cold water. And you know, if your old lady's cool like mine, she'll let you just screw this right into the Y adapter right into where your washing machine is at your house, and there's a hot and cold water outlet right there. You just run them out your window to wherever you're washing your car, and you've got hot water and cold water just like that. Bam. Let's see how it works. What we're running right now is 60 psi, 20-gallon air compressor. As you can see, it does a pretty good job. If you want to increase the performance of this gun, all you got to do is replace this valve with a little bit bigger valve. The inside is a smaller diameter, so you're not getting quite as much water volume as you would with a higher quality ball valve. But it still does a good job for what most guys need to wash their car in the driveway. It's just fine. So anyways, that's one modification you can make pretty easy. This is just a little cheap $1.99 Y adapter. Like I said, you can do this at where your washing machine is at your house, or you can even run one of these to your hot water tank. So you just instantly have hot water. On the PVC gun, I would not run any more than 140 degrees through it. If you're running like a hot tea or whatever, that's going to melt the PVC. You need to go